Today we will be going over a variation of the dragon necklace wrap. This is a version adapted for rope dart flow and performance and might be less suitable for traditional combat. I like to add a shot immediately following the wrap so that the whole sequence looks dramatic and fast-paced. There are tons of variations to this move, and I have added links to other tutorials in the description. This version was taught to me by my soulmate of inspiration, Eve Harper Close. Let us pick up our rope dart. First, we step into wheel plane. We grip the rope at about this length with our lead hand. Our anchor hand gathers the extra slack. We start swinging the dart towards the ground, also known as a downward swing. Now we are going to aim the dart so that the rope goes under our lead armpit and over our anchor shoulder. We catch it on our lead side. During this specific version, I like to release the rope from my lead hand as it travels under my lead armpit and catch it with the same hand after it has traveled over my anchor shoulder. This means that I am not releasing all the rope from my anchor hand the way a traditional dragon wrap is taught. Let's practice this step until we feel comfortable. Ideally, we will be able to bring our hand close to our armpit when throwing the rope over our back. Okay, the next step is to take our lead foot and step forward, pivoting into wall plane. If I am right-handed, my feet will pivot counterclockwise. During the final step, many things happen in quick succession. We bring our lead hand close to the back of our neck so that our lead arm looks like it's choking us. Simultaneously, we pivot 90 degrees by taking a step back with our anchor foot so that we land in wheel plane. As soon as we have pivoted, we release the rope from our lead hand and shoot in front of us. Here are all the steps again in real time. Okay, after we have practiced these steps until we are comfortable, we attempt to execute the whole move without any pauses or extra dart rotations. We throw the rope over our back, catching it with our lead hand. The dart does one rotation on our lead side. Then we step in front of us and bring our lead hand to the back of our neck. We step 90 degrees behind us with our anchor foot and release the rope so that the dart shoots out in front of us. I notice that when I do this whole sequence, I actually often end up in wall plane. This is not necessary to do, but I find that my shots are more straight because my shoulder is fully out of the way. Alright, that is the best way I have found to break down this sequence. Hopefully that made sense. Please let me know if you're confused or have any questions. Finally, I want to give a gigantic thank you to the people who have joined my Patreon. I am feeling really excited and motivated to create more dart tutorials, so I really appreciate all the support. I have added a link to my Patreon in the description in case you want to check it out. Happy rope darting! Love you guys!